Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how to fix widgets not working in Windows 11. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Personalization from the left side list. Go to Taskbar. Look for Widgets. Turn the switch on to enable it. If you go to Widgets now, it will be available. Turn the switch off if you want to disable it. There's another way you can use. Go to Taskbar Search. Type Gpedit. Click on Edit Group Policy. A new window will open. Go to Computer Configuration. Expand Administrative Templates. Go to Windows Components. Go to the right side of the window. Open Widgets folder. Open Allow Widgets. A new window will open. Check Enable. Click on Apply and OK. Go to the right side of the window. Open Widgets folder. Open Allow Widgets. A new window will open. Check Not Configured. Click on Apply and OK. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!